Welcome back to C&D Sports Cards. Upper Deck Black just came in. We're gonna do our first box. This product has been long coming. It's one of the higher end scary products, so first pack. Definitely don't want to get into them. Our first letterman is Taylor Chorney from the Edmonton Oilers. And we have a jersey card of Martin Brodeur, number 98 of 99. So, first pack, not really impressed. So we'll try again here and hopefully we'll find something decent. Yeah, we have an autographed, I think, rookie out of 499, Jonas Enroth. That's not the greatest. And the second card we have is a Tim Kennedy game night ticket out of 35. So, the cost of these boxes, that was pretty horrible. I'm going to do one more. Let's do this one right here. That's a chance you take with this stuff. Now we got another autograph patch. Ivan Visnovsky from the Dallas Stars. And this one here is a little different story. It's number 2 of 5. It's a triple patch of Wayne Gretzky, Mario Lemieux, and Mark Messier. So that kind of made up for first box a little bit. This pack must have something good in it too, because it don't want to come open. And another autograph patch, Matt Pelech from the Calgary Flames. And the second card, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it either. It's a quad jersey autograph of Anze Kopitar, numbered out of 25. So, that's our 2 boxes of black. Thanks for watching. See you next time.